Everybody knows how much I love my daughter Jessica. She was my firstborn. She's got a lot of my ways because I see it in her when we debate and everything else that, she's going to be good. And for her and Abiose to come together as a family like they are is one of the greatest things I think could happen because they complement each other.
Jessica, you look beautiful every single day, but today you have truly outdone yourself. I stand here today before you, our family, and our friends, ready to make the biggest promise that I have ever made. Thinking back to a time when we didn't exist in each other's lives makes me catch my breath. I must have done something right to have found you to spend the rest of my life with. You are my once in a lifetime. My promise to you is to love, honor, and protect you. I promise to be the best version of myself always. I promise to always be there for you. And most importantly, I promise to love you for the rest of my life.
To my soulmate, life has a funny way of teaching lessons. My favorite lesson was learning to love again. You came into my life at a challenging time and turned my world right side up. Who would have thought at a birthday party we would have sat next to each other and I would have been sitting next to my future husband? I used to pray for someone to love me the way that I love, and I was blessed with you. You treat me like a true queen every day. You go out of your way to make sure I feel special daily. Your love and support has helped me become a better woman. You are my best friend, and I'm looking forward to spending the rest of my life with you. Today, before God and all of our loved ones, I promise to be everything you need and to love you no matter what. Abiose Achara Gale, I love you forever and always.
That's my son right there. I'm sorry to Gales, but I have to adopt him. That's my son right there. He's a real gentleman. And Abiose, I appreciate the way you have been to my daughter.
Miss Jessica Gale, I remember the first time you came to Brooklyn and you was just in the crew. You wasn't on Ab's girlfriend, you were like, yo, I'm in the squad now.